So now we are working on our banner. I don't have two screens, guys, so I'm gonna minimize stuff like that for now. Okay, so we were adding our banner. I'm gonna copy everything as it is. Okay, and then I'm gonna paste it there on this section. Okay, so copying that. So this is my banner. Again, I am going to be having my lines there. I'm gonna copy this. I want it to be quite long. Okay, all right, so I've got that in sections, and then let us now look at what is happening there. Same thing, we have got the box, and then we've got the label. We are labeling this one as banner. Okay, this is my web banner, and we've got the same thing there, image, and then source. And then where am I getting it from? I'm gonna get it from my on my home page, on my images actually, and then it is named as banner leaderboard, and this one is a GIF. So I don't want you to be like, okay, why is it moving? I do not do nothing on my styles yet. This website does not have Java yet, so it's basically my GIF. And then I've got my alternative, which is bring in banner. Okay, so if I'm looking for this, I'll just know that this is a bring in banner. Okay, so bring in banner. Yeah, same thing there. You are still seeing that. Let me just close this. All right, and then you need to close that. Always you need to close it. Right. Okay guys, so and then I'm gonna go ahead and look at how does it look like. Okay, it's there, it's nice, but just have a look. It's not sitting nice on my mobile device. Okay, it's just there. Okay, so as soon as I add this on my styles, look at it, it looks so weird there. Okay, even if I browse it, even if I preview it on my browser, oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you something, guys. You must always save all the time. Don't forget to do that. So you guys can see it's not sitting nice on my browser. Okay, we need to fix that on our styles. Okay, so in each and every step that you have done, you must go to your file, save all. Okay, wait, file, save all. Okay, unfortunately there's no shortcut for this. You just go to file, save all. Okay, it's saving all, like literally all, not just only the index. It's saving everything that you have on your website. Okay, this helps a lot. Okay, so now we are gonna go ahead and paste our banner. So I'm gonna copy this, and I need to section this as my banner. Okay, I'm gonna say web banner. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste my code, my CSS code. Right, so where is it? My CSS code. It's not, there's nothing much that I've done to it because I don't want crazy things in it. Okay, so yeah, I've got that there. Okay, so I've got my, this is very straightforward because like I said, I don't want anything crazy here, and I am going to show you how I did this. So I've got banner. This is my banner. This is my banner image. Okay, this is the actual banner. This is a big banner image. Okay, so I want it to be 100% width. This makes the banner to stretch across the full screen, and the overflow, this hides anything that goes outside the container so that the layout stays clean. And the display block, here, so this basically, it removes all small gaps under the images so it fits perfectly. Okay, so now let us see, because we have seen how it looked like before. Okay, wait, let's refresh that. All right, let us do this again quickly. We can now see that it fits nicely. It's touching my edges. Okay, so like we have said, we wanted it to be just across, to stretch just across the full screen. Okay, with that width, which is 100%. Okay, all right, this, I'm very much happy now. I think I can go ahead and preview this. Oh, you know what, I did not save. I need to always save. Don't forget to do that, guys.